Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create and delete sticky notes on Windows. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. You can also click the Windows icon if that's what appears on your taskbar. Once you click it, you'll see a search field appear. Go ahead and type sticky notes into that search field. As you type, Windows will display matching results, and you should see the sticky notes app appear in the list. Click on it to launch the application. This opens up the Sticky Notes interface, which is a simple and convenient way to jot down quick reminders, ideas, or tasks right on your desktop. Now that the Sticky Notes app is open, you can create your first note. Look for the plus button in the upper left corner of the Sticky Notes window. Click on this plus button and a new blank sticky note will appear on your screen. This note is ready for you to use immediately, so you can start organizing your thoughts or keeping track of important information right away. Next, click inside the newly created sticky note and start typing your message or reminder. The interface is straightforward and user-friendly, so you can simply click anywhere inside the note and begin entering whatever content you need. The note will automatically save your text as you type, so you don't have to worry about losing your information. If you want to personalize your sticky note by changing its color, first make sure the note you want to customize is selected by clicking on it. Then, in the upper right corner of the note, click on the 3 dotted lines. This will open a menu with several options. From this menu, select the color option and you'll see a preset palette of colors appear. Choose whichever color you prefer to apply it to your sticky note. Changing the color can help you visually organize different types of notes or prioritize certain reminders, making it easier to spot important information at a glance. Finally, if you need to delete a sticky note that you no longer need, simply click on the note to select it. Then in the upper right corner of that note, click on the 3 dotted lines again. From the menu that appears, select Delete Note. The note will automatically be removed from your desktop without any additional confirmation prompts. This makes it quick and easy to keep your workspace clean and organized by removing notes that are no longer relevant. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to create, customize, and delete sticky notes on Windows. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.